Hi students, in this exercise we will use the NNI smoothing algorithm to reduce surface anomalies and create a more visually pleasing contour set. For this exercise you can download drawing for 10 from the description link, and when you will open this drawing you will see a drawing and with surface and one magenta square which we want to smooth the surface inside the magenta square. Select the surface. From the TIN surface existing surface contextual tab, click edit surface, and here you will see smooth surface. Expand the smooth surface method branch and verify the natural neighbor interpolation is the selected method value. Now expand. If you have not expanded point interpolation, just expand and select output region value field. Here we have select output region value field and click the ellipsis button. At the select region, just pick the large magenta rectangle located on the surface for smoothing, because we are going to smooth this area. Then press enter to return to the smooth surface dialog box. Now enter grid X as a 3 and grid Y should be 3 also. It's our grid value. Now you can note that the Civil 3D will tell you how many points here you are adding to the surface immediately below this input area. So it's gray out, but it does change on the basis of your input values in grid X and grid Y. Just click OK and surface will smoothen. Now you can zoom and examine the ditches. You can notice that the ditches shape is retained, thus representing the back lines used to define the flow lines and embankments. For this type of knowledgeable videos and advanced Civil 3D tricks and tips, please stay with us.